In this video, we're going to finish off where we left off in part 1 of Music SEO. This is Music SEO part 2. Alright, we're going to analyze the sites of some great musicians. We are going to go to the first slide. What is Music SEO anyway? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, which is the process of getting traffic from free, organic, editorial, or natural search results in search engines. Alright, so this video will be structured in the following way. We're going to go through Prithvi Prajosh, I'm sorry if I butchered your name, Joseph Capalbo, music, second, and then Riccardo Gresino, third. We're going to do some brief SEO analysis, go over some ideas, do some digital marketing problems and solutions for all of these great musicians. Alright, so the first is Prithvi, who, what we're looking at here is SEMrush. Okay, SEMrush is a tool that analyzes a website, okay? So while analyzing Prithvi's website, we can see that he has a couple of backlinks, but he definitely needs more organic traffic, okay? I'm gonna go to his website, and it's a great website built on Wix. There's 4 pages. He has all the links on the side here and over here, and his music in the middle, okay? What I recommend is to get this button. I don't know if you wanted this to go to the contact form or if you wanted it to go straight to email, because I know this one goes to an email. So I'll send an email to you, and we'll discuss that. For your site, what this is the title tag for all you SEOs, or if you're new to SEO, this is the title, okay? So he has his name, and he's a singer, songwriter, vocalist, and top line writer. So this title is very important for SEO in order to rank. Then he has music and his name for the music page, about, name, contact. Okay, so for the title, is doing an excellent job. Also with what's called the meta description. So it's a brief description about what the page is about. So in order to get a good click-through rate, so when someone sees this on Google and they want to click to his homepage, you know, you want to have a good description about what they're going to, what they're about to see, what the searcher is about to see. So excellent job. I didn't find any really bad technical problems, any 404s, you know, your robot.txt file was fine. So really excellent job. What we discussed via email, you wanted to get a little bit more results. So you are already ranking for top line singer and top line writer, position number 43 in the search engines. All right, so that's great. How you can improve, okay? If we go back here, you have a blog page that's indexed in Google, and this blog page is what I think came standard with Wix. So this blog page is not relevant to what you do, right? So this came with Wix. So what I suggest is that you do what's called a 301 redirect, and you're going to basically take this link and redirect it to a different link, and that different link will start to talk about top line singers or a top line writer, you know, depending on what you want to do. But let's say it's just the topic of top line, okay? We're going to start blogging about top line, and we're going to increase our authority in Google regarding top line singing and top line writing, okay? Because if you increase your authority in Google, you will be known as the expert for that topic, okay? So we're going to 301 redirect this, and we are also going to fix this problem right here, okay? We can't find this page. So we're going to fix that problem, and hopefully you will rank higher in the search engines for that keyword, because I'll tell you why. This keyword right here, which is at the bottom of the marketing funnel, which I discussed in the last video, you have awareness at the top of the funnel, consideration, and conversion at the bottom. Top line songwriter needed. Oh, I have it right here. Top line songwriter needed has 10 searches per month. So I think that's a valuable keyword for you to rank for, because 10 people a month are searching for that keyword. So if you rank high for that keyword, you can get leads for that, right? So I think that's something that you would want to rank for, and blogging will help you get there. All right, so some things that you'd want to include in your blog as questions might be from this people also ask section. So you can answer how do you become a top line writer? What does top line mean in songwriting? You can go down here and answer some of these questions. A problem that some musicians encounter is whether to use a website as a piece of artwork or as a lead generation tool. In order to use a website as a lead generation tool, the site has to have more content. If the purpose is to generate leads from your music site, I recommend adding more content like blogging regularly. Otherwise, if you like to have your site function as a piece of artwork, then leave it as is. The next artist is Joseph Capalbo. So Joseph has a very beautiful website offering various services, order custom music, private mentorship and lessons, build your home studio. The only SEO thing, and it's small, that stood out was this /home, which is easily fixed. I'm not familiar with, what is this, Bandzoogle, the CMS, but you probably have a setting on the back end, or you can reach out to Bandzoogle or look that up. It's very easy to fix, and I'll just go back to josephcabalbomusic.com. All right. Besides that, very nice. You have your music on here. Everything's working. The Vimeo looks great. Besides that, your keywords. Let's go over here. You need more traffic because you have ranking for position 43 for custom theme song with a volume of 40 a month. Now, custom theme song is a bit ambiguous. If I type custom theme song into Google, let's go here. It's just ambiguous as to what the intent behind the keyword is. So, of course, as musicians, we know what we mean by that, but as for someone searching, do they want to buy a custom theme song? Do they want custom, does WWE 2K2 have a custom music? How do you add music? So there's some services, there's some related to WWE. So make a personalized song. Was it this one? Make a personalized song? It was in personalized. So there's a lot of keywords around personalized song. So personalized song gift, which has 480 volume a month with a high CPC. So they're paying $7 an ad for that. Personalized song plaque, custom love song, personalized songs with names. So this keyword, they obviously know what they want. Very specific. Personalized songs with names. Personalized song gift sharp. Okay, that's what else do we have here? There's definitely just more around the personalized song keyword. All right. So the same as I said with the previous artist. If you want to blog around this topic, you could rank for this topic. If you wanted to go start a blog and make it around personalized song, or if you wanted to be ambitious, I see that you're quite ambitious, and you wanted to buy custom customlovesongs.net and rank that website, and all you provide is custom love songs. Now to the last musician, Riccardo Gresino. Riccardo is ranking in Italy. I don't know what that means exactly, and Google Translate is not helping, but Riccardo is taking advantage of the internet, where you can rank in whatever country you want. His website is very, very beautiful, very aesthetically pleasing, as you can see down here. It's got images, videos, all of his music. All right, let's go back up. It's got his live experience, lessons, Facebook, Spotify. If we go back here, if you did want to rank in Google in the States, Riccardo, that would need to be changed. All right, so that's just something to keep in mind. You need to change to English, but that's up to you. What we were talking about in the email is getting some lessons. So in order to get people to go to your to your lessons page, we can do the following. We can go and utilize Reddit. Does learning an easy version of a song make it harder to learn the full version later? You're going to want to answer a question like this in full, all right? And the more upvotes you get, the better. You're going to want to be the authority on this topic. You're in piano learning with 32,000 members, and 34 of them are online. The last technique is really cool. We're going to produce content for Reddit, and it also works very well on Quora. So we know that there's 32,000 members in this forum. 34 of them are online. So we're going to go to piano learning, press OK, and we're going to create a post. So knowing that there's 32,000 members, we're going to assume that a percentage are into jazz, okay? And how to play like Herbie Hancock, because everyone knows Herbie Hancock, right? Everyone knows him. Over the key of B flat, all right? And this program is Jasper. It's an AI program. I have a video on it, on how to use it. There's also affiliate link in the description below. How to play like Herbie Hancock. And why I'm using it is because you're a musician, so you don't have time to make all this content. You need to practice, and you have gigs. So if you can make content and drive people to your site very quickly, that will save you so much time. So we're gonna do this, and we are gonna put for keywords Herbie Hancock. This is really, really cool. You're gonna love this. B flat, and we are gonna make a piece of content. Right? So learn as much theory as you can. Right? Okay, so we're going to take this content and we're going to drag it over to Reddit, all right? And we're going to drag this over to Reddit as well. Of course, it's not finished, but you get the point. So now we have this piece of content where we can also put images and videos, linking to Herbie Hancock. And now, in a matter of seconds, we just generated this piece of content about Herbie Hancock, which a percentage of this audience will enjoy, right? So let's post that. And now you're going to get some engagement with some of the users in the forum. All right, so this is a really cool tool. It can also do things like how to play like Keith Jarrett, right? So did I spell that right? So how to play like Keith Jarrett. If we switch that out, so you can just keep making content and then go around the internet in places where you think you can get lessons from or get eyeballs from and drive that traffic to your site. So we're going to switch that out and go Keith, Jarrett, and out, of course. Let's do how to play like Keith Jarrett. So this is the heading, and then let's press compose. Good piano. Jared is done for his work. This tool is really cool. You can even type things like how to comp like Keith Jarrett. And then this, the greater than sign. And then if you find a beginner forum on Reddit, you want to plug something like this in, right? So this is where you're going to find a lot of your leads, okay? So let's do serious for tone of voice. Keywords, maybe C major, piano, walking bass, and let's go. Then use your other finger to play the notes D, C, and once you have played, you can continue to press scales. All right, and then, you know, once you're done with this, you want to put in the middle, you know, some images. Insert image of, you know, you playing, right? And then you want to, on the bottom, maybe link to lessons page, right? You can even have link to video on YouTube of you playing. I see a lot of videos of you playing, so you know you can link all of those. But there you have it. There's some great content tips to apply to Reddit. You can apply that to Quora. There's some forums online. In just a few seconds, we generated some content in which you can drive traffic to your lessons page. Thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it. There's some affiliate links in the description below for Jasper AI. Should definitely check it out. It'll save you a lot of time. Thanks for watching again. Bye.